Hey guys, welcome back to All Round Review. It's the holiday season, a time for gifting, upgrading and treating yourself to the best gadget out there. And today, we are finally bringing to you one of the most requested comparison of all time. I'm talking about the Oraimo Watch 5 and the Oraimo Watch Nova R. I know you have been waiting for this video to decide which smartwatch is perfect for you or your loved ones this holiday season. If you want a more in-depth review of these smartwatches, I've got it covered. You'll find the full reviews already on our channel with a direct link added in this video's description. Now, without further ado, it's Mr. Roy here once again. Let's get down to business. Alright, here's the deal. The Oraimo Watch Nova R is a sleek round smartwatch with a premium feel, Bluetooth calling and over 100 sports mode. The Oraimo Watch 5 with its bold square design keeps things simple but effective. It's an affordable option that focuses on health tracking and notification while still looking sharp. I'll focus on their similarities and key differences. The Oraimo Watch Nova R is currently priced at 41,200 Naira. You also get a free Oraimo earpiece when you buy directly from the Oraimo store. On the other hand, the Oraimo Watch 5 is quite cheaper, priced at 34,500 Naira on the official Oraimo store. I have added the direct links of the watches in the video description of this video. You can support this channel by using our coupon code to get a 5% discount when shopping on Oraimo web store. The Oraimo Watch Nova R and the Oraimo Watch 5 differ significantly in build quality and design. Starting with the display, the Oraimo Watch Nova R features a 1.39 inches TFT HD screen with a resolution of 360x360 pixels, offering sharper and clearer visuals than the Watch 5's larger 2.01 screen with a lower resolution of 240x296 pixels. Both screens are bright enough for outdoor use. However, the Nova R is better in terms of brightness. In terms of materials, both the Nova R and the Watch 5 are crafted from ABS and PC materials, emphasizing lightweight and durability. Though they use similar strap materials, when it comes to weight, the Nova R is marginally heavier at 42.7 grams compared to the Watch 5's 41.4 grams. But that doesn't matter because both are very lightweight. You won't even feel any stress. Durability is another area where the Nova R stands out with an IP68 waterproof rating, making it suitable for swimming and resistant to dust. In contrast to the Watch 5 only offers 180 rating, which limits it to handling splashes and light rain, making it less durable for rugged use. For the Nova R, I did a water testing. You can see it in our full review of the Nova R. Design-wise, the Nova R adopts a round, premium look suited for all-round users, whereas the Watch 5 features a sleek, thin body with a slightly curved screen for a more modern and sporty design. These differences make the Nova R ideal for those prioritizing all-round usage, while the Watch 5 appeals to users who value style and customization, though it all boils down to personal preferences. In terms of design and build quality, the Oraimo Watch R is the winner here. If you have any of these devices, you can share your thoughts in the comment section. So what's their difference in terms of features and functionalities? The Oraimo Watch Nova R and Watch 5 offers impressive features tailored to fitness lovers and productivity seekers, but they differ in their capabilities and user experiences. During my test, the Nova R gives more realistic and consistent tracking results than the Watch 5. I used Google Fit to compare the results of the watches. In terms of productivity, both watches support Bluetooth calling. You have the options to customize which app that can send notification via the Oraimo Health app, minimizing distractions. Notifications on both devices are read-only, with long messages being truncated, and neither supports emoji display. Realistically, the Nova R is still the winner in terms of features and functionality. It should be your go-to if you want accuracy. The Oraimo Watch Nova R and the Watch 5 offers impressive calling and connectivity features. You'll get to know which one of them is better. If you are still watching this video, kindly like, comment and subscribe to support this channel. Both the Nova R and the Watch 5 are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, But during my test, the Nova R gets more stable connection in terms of proximity disconnection. What I mean to say is, the Watch 5 disconnects sometimes even at close range. This is something I'm still expecting Oraimo to fix with a firmware update. Both has the ability to synchronize up to 100 contacts and display saved contact names during incoming calls. You can dial numbers directly, see recent calls and enable SOS contacts for emergencies. When it comes to audio performance, both devices offer clear HD calling with built-in microphones and speakers. However, the Nova R delivers better speaker quality because it's more louder than the Watch 5. In terms of notification, both devices ensure users stay updated on calls, messages and app alerts with customizable notification settings via the Oraimo Health app. The screens will light up and the watch will vibrate for new notifications, ensuring that users never miss any alerts. Overall, both smartwatches are good enough for indoor calls, but for more better sound during outdoor usage, you have to go for the Nova R. Both are fantastic smartwatches, but still have some notable differences. The Watch 5 offers up to 12 menu styles and you can toggle between them by double tapping the function button. In contrast to the Nova R, it is limited to just 2 menu styles, and double tapping the function button on the Nova R won't change the menu style. The Watch 5 also features a minimal clean UI calculator, which I still don't understand why it was omitted on the Nova R. Additionally, it includes 2 games that are also missing on the Nova R. The Nova R allows for tap to wake, raising the wrist or pressing the home button to activate the screen, whereas the Watch 5 relies solely on button presses or wrist gestures. One notable thing about the Watch 5 is that in the last firmware update, Oraimo added a feature enabling users to control voice assistant like Siri or Gemini. You can use your assistant without touching your phones. This feature is not available on the Nova R. Additionally, you can turn off the screen of the Nova R and Watch 5 by closing the screen with your palms. Those are the differences I spotted while using the Watch 5 and the Nova R. Is there any differences I have not mentioned? You can tell me via the comment section. The Nova R and the Watch 5 both offers impressive battery life, but their performances differ slightly. The Nova R with a 340 mAh battery provides up to 10 days of typical use or 8 days with heavy usage, in comparison with the Watch 5 300 mAh that offers 7 days of typical use and 5 days with heavier usage, which is slightly shorter but still respectable. Both smartwatches requires approximately 3 hours to charge fully. The Oraimo Watch Nova R is priced at 41,200 naira, positioning it slightly higher in the budget smartwatch category, but offering premium features and design. Meanwhile, the Oraimo Watch 5 is more affordable at 34,500 naira, making it an excellent value option. Both smartwatches can be purchased through the Oraimo's official website, and you can enjoy an additional 5% discount by using our exclusive coupon code provided on the screen or description. The Nova R justifies the higher price with longer battery life and more advanced connectivity features, while the Watch 5 offers great functionality and durability at a lower cost. So which smartwatch should you go for this holiday season? Both the Oraimo Watch Nova R and the Oraimo Watch Nova 5 are excellent smartwatches. The Nova R leans towards reliability and endurance, making it a good option for those who prioritize functionality and long-lasting performance. Meanwhile, the Watch 5 is more stylish and versatile experience at a more affordable price, good for users seeking value without compromising on features. Lastly, your choice will depend on your budget and what matters most to you: premium build and endurance, or affordability and versatility. Either way, Oraimo delivers quality with both options. And as I mentioned, you can check out the full reviews on our channel to help finalize your choice. The links are in the description. In conclusion, whether you are going for the Oraimo Watch 5 or the Oraimo Nova R, you are investing in a smartwatch that offers amazing value for its price. Remember, smartwatches aren't just for young people alone, they are for everybody. Whether you are tracking your fitness goals, staying connected on the go, or simply looking for a stylish accessory, A smartwatch that can make your life more convenient and enjoyable. And don't forget to use our exclusive coupon code displayed on the screen or in the video description to save yourself a 5% discount. It's the perfect time to grab one of these smartwatches and step into the world of smart living without breaking the bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to All Around Review for more detailed and honest reviews. See you in the next video. It's Mr. Roy here once again. Bye.